Hey, grade 3. I'd like you to know that you all have been exerting a lot of effort with your work, and I really appreciate all your hard work. From the bottom of my heart, I really appreciate all of you. All right, now we are going to talk about converting hours and minutes. Are you all excited to learn more about this topic? Yes, wonderful. That's great. That's the spirit. All right, now our lesson objective is change minutes to hours or hours to minutes. Here is our lesson objective. I have a quick question for all of you. Question number 1. How many minutes are there in 1 hour? I'll give you 5 seconds to think. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. If your answer is 60 minutes, you are right. Second question. How many seconds are there in 1 minute? I will give you 5 seconds to think about your answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. If your answer is 60 seconds, hooray! You are right. Great job. Let's begin. First things first, I'd like you to keep in mind the following, all right? H stands for, what do you think? Hours. Yes, hours. Let's use orange so that it will look so pretty. Now, minutes. When you encounter MIN, stands for, what do you think? Yes, it's minutes. Minutes. Okay, keep that in mind and remember that this letter in this word is very important. You'll be encountering this one when you answer your workbook while we are doing our discussion. All right, now let's convert hours to minutes. Ready? Here we go. All right, let's look at the question and let's read it all together. Jerry writes for 2 hours. How many minutes are there in 2 hours? Remember, our topic is about converting hours to minutes. All right, now we are going to convert 2 hours to minutes. Are you ready? All right, let's do this. So again, 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. Okay, let me just write the H as a symbol for hour. Mini H over there. Right, so 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. Now we are going to convert 2 hours to minutes. How will we do that? Let's write 2 hours here. And let's begin converting. Since there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, that means we are going to double 60 minutes. We can add them up. All right, 60 plus 60 is equal to, yes, it's 120 minutes. Another solution is you can also multiply to find the number of minutes. So 2 hours is equal to, this is the solution. That's how you multiply them. 60 times 2 is 120 minutes. 60 plus 60 is also 120 minutes. You can choose which one would you like to do. Okay, so therefore, there are 120 minutes in 2 hours. Now it's your turn to answer. I will write down your question and make sure that you will answer, okay? I know you can do it. The instruction is, don't forget, you have to read carefully the instruction before you begin to answer. Express the time in minutes. So we are going to express the time in minutes very clearly. All right, so let's read the question. Jerry took 3 hours to do his homework. 3 hours, we are going to convert this into minutes. Again and again in our discussion earlier, we said that 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. You can choose whether you wanted to add it or multiply it. Okay, so I trust you that you can answer this. I'll be back in 1 minute. All right, 1 minute is over. Were you able to get it? Let's answer it all together. So, we are going to convert again 3 hours into minutes. So that means we are going to triple up the 60 minutes. So if we are going to do addition, that means 60 plus 60 plus 60. 1, 2, 3, 3 hours. We got 180 minutes. So how about if we are going to do the multiplication? So 60 times 3 is equal to, so it's 180 minutes. Same. 180 minutes for addition and for multiplication. So therefore, there are 180 minutes in 3 hours. If you got the correct answer, good job. If you didn't, don't worry. I know that you can do better next time. Now, you are ready to do your workbook. Bye. Enjoy.